All eyes are on Ethereum right now. We can see we're 1 day, 11 hours, 50 minutes away until Ethereum is finally moving to proof of stake. So this is super exciting, guys. Welcome back to the channel. By the way, if you're new here, hop yourself into the Discord down below and also subscribe to the channel. This really helps me push through that YouTube algorithm. So we can see Ethereum is still the second largest coin by market cap in the whole crypto sector, $193 billion market cap. So that is still a tremendous amount. Over the last 24 hours, we've also got a really nice healthy amount of volume come through as well, guys. So it sounds like really nice at the moment. Ethereum, possible undervaluation reaccumulation levels. We could maybe see a bounce from here. So let's have a look at Ethereum today. We can see the whole crypto market is basically in the red at the moment, following the bearish consumer price index news. Now I want to look at the Ethereum price prediction because we can see here very soon we're going to see the merge Ethereum 2.0 take place. Only 1 day, 11 hours away now. So this is crazy stuff. For those that don't know, what is the merge? The merge is the next step in the evolution of Ethereum. It is an upcoming event that will see the existing execution layer merge with the recently deployed consensus layer, the beacon chain. This will form a mainnet platform secured by proof of stake while still maintaining the original Ethereum state. So this is really cool. I love what CoinMarketCap are doing over here, by the way. You can see everyone wants to go proof of stake, which is really nice to see naturally as well. So it looks like the right choice for the Ethereum network, right? The ecosystem will thrive and most likely boom from this particular protocol update or, the merge itself. So this is looking really bullish already, guys, and I'm getting very excited. I'm almost tempted to go long right now on Ethereum, actually, as I'm seeing some bullish indicators that are teasing me, and I really do want to grab some more Ethereum. So let's have a look, do some research. Watcher.guru just in. This was actually 12 hours ago. Well, not 12 hours ago, but it was a while ago now. It's still today, but about 8 hours ago, I think. 10,000 blocks left to be mined until Ethereum merges to proof of stake. We are nearly there, guys. Oh, the intensity is increasing. Just in, an estimated 48 hours remain until the Ethereum merges to proof of stake. This was posted 14 hours ago, so yeah, I mean, the timer, we just saw the timer here, so we know exactly how much time is left. But it's so good to see the amount of hype and euphoria and just craziness is going on all over Twitter right now for Ethereum. Like I say, it's limelight, center stage. Ethereum is in the crypto spotlight right now, guys, so don't sleep on Ethereum. Got to follow the trend sometimes. Also got that Martini guy, crypto analyst. I just bought $600,000 worth of Ethereum, so he's clearly super bullish on the Ethereum merge. Ethereum going to proof of stake has clearly offered him a good reason to get into Ethereum at these lower levels. So maybe he's just dollar cost averaging. Maybe he sees a lot of value in proof of stake for Ethereum. So I'm very excited to see what might happen. And let's have a little look at the analysis whilst we're here. So Ethereum, really looking at the daily time frame, we can see that we failed to come up to this diagonal resistance, and that particular level would have taken us up to around about $2,000 at this particular time. Now, following the bearish CPI report, we have had quite a big rejection today. We've had quite a large red daily candle. We've seen the price come down by about 10%. So to be honest, it's just normal crypto waves here. There's nothing really too alarming. And as long as we can hold this $1,400 support level, I don't see there being any continuation back down to 900 anytime soon. I think that was really the bottom over here from the 18th of June following Bitcoin crossing the 200-week moving average, and even getting in at 1700 wasn't a bad idea because you would have been up to about $2,000, over 10% on your investment if you did get in and hold through to the recent pump. So it's all about dollar cost averaging with Ethereum when you're underextended on that 20-day moving average. Now, on the 30-minute time frame, I do see a potential double bottom reversal pattern which could be forming here, guys. So it's just something I found I'm speculating on, and I'm tempted to go a bit long. So we got the potential formation. If we do get a swing high up to the neckline over here, it would take us up to about the 1629 level. Now the technical price target upon a breakout would probably take us about 3.76% up, so I imagine to about $1,686 from where we are. Now from where we're trading, if you were to get in, that would be about a 6% increase in price, or from the support level about 7.52%. So I do see Ethereum potentially getting a bullish reversal back to the $1,704 price level if we can get a bit of a reversal here on this 30-minute time frame, break through the 1627 resistance, and then see continuation to 1700. The volume is slightly dropping off. It's not too alarming. And on the 4-hour time frame, if we look again, you can see there's a lot of selling pressure here. So it really depends if we can get a lot of momentum on the bullish side of things. We need to see the trajectory of Bitcoin maintain bullish as well, of course, in order to prevent more downside continuation. But what we can see here on the 4-hour time frame, looking at the Bollinger Bands, we're really underextended. Usually if you buy the bottom of the band, it's a good time to go long. So that's why I am considering going long here for Ethereum, and I may have to pick some up, to be honest. What else can we look at here for crypto? If we move into that daily time frame, we can see we are just below that 20-day moving average. It's been a while since Ethereum has been under the 20-day moving average, and usually when we do come through, we actually bounce off of the 20-day EMA. As you see, this is an uptrend. In the uptrend, it's quite clear that you can see these bounces off the 20-day moving average multiple times. In a downtrend, the opposite happens. You get rejected on that 20-day moving average. So hopefully we can maintain the bullish momentum. Is this just an anomaly because of the CPI report? There's a good chance. I don't think we will see continuation to the downside. And you can also see this recent wick here from the 7th of September highlights a lot of buying pressure for Ethereum. So fingers crossed we are not going to lose the support. Looking at the weekly time frame, I mean, again, we know that this $1423 level is a key support level. I just want to see a bit more continuation to the upside here. So hopefully we can break through this the 1800 resistance level. That's where we'll see some continuation to about the 2.165. And the reason that is such a great big resistance is because of this wick here from the 24th of January 2022. Now, looking at the waves of Ethereum, we can see this wave here offered 65%. If you bought the bottom here, 13th of June, you'd be up 129%. So to be honest, the perfect time to reaccumulate was in June for Ethereum. But it doesn't mean we can't still get a nice breakout to the upside in the future. Key resistance level is $1,860. If we can break through there and through this diagonal resistance, we'll be looking at around the $2,400 level here for Ethereum. Let's just go back to that weekly time frame and look at what we were looking at. My bad. For some reason I'm running out of memory. Maybe I need to clear the cache here or something. But really, I think a good pragmatic target for Ethereum in the remainder of 2022, if the POS merge is a complete success, it would be around the 0.618 golden pocket Fibonacci extension, bringing Ethereum to about $2,500. It would be fantastic to see Ethereum get back to this $2,728 resistance, and I think that might be something that we have to unfortunately save for the next cryptocurrency bull market. But I anticipate that we will chop around these levels. I do think this was a great time to buy in. We don't know the future, but Ethereum is here to stay. It's the tip of the spearhead for altcoins, and if you want to fully kind of immerse yourself into Ethereum and gain maximum exposure, the ways you can do this is, consider investing in like Polygon Matic or even Ethereum Classic, right? So of course, not financial advice. I'm just someone that makes YouTube videos, but these are a few things that you can do to gain more exposure in the Ethereum merge movement. Now let's look at this article very quickly. We can see why Ethereum may be headed to $2,200 on the merge euphoria. So the merge is one of the most hotly anticipated events in the history of Ethereum and has garnered widespread interest. As we can see, here are some bullish reasons. You've got Ethereum, which will become deflationary. I think that's awesome if you ask me. So after the introduction of EIP 1559, Ethereum became a far more attractive asset to hold in terms of stock to flow, since a large chunk of transaction fees were being burned rather than being distributed to the miners. This is expected to be a catalyst for huge price rises in Ethereum going forward, since it means that ETH will be far more deflationary than before. So basically it's going to increase the scarcity, and in turn we should see a rise on the price. There is also the potential chance that the merge could be a sell the news event, which basically means there's loads of euphoria and hype due to a particular fundamental update or news itself. So who knows, really? Who actually knows? The merge is an event that the Ethereum community has been anticipating for years now. The transition from proof of work to proof of stake is a significant one, and the ramifications for the decision are that the second largest blockchain by market capitalization will no longer use proof of work. So we can see, it says right here, quite important to look at, the merge itself will do very little to help boost scaling, something that many investors appear not to have understood properly. Fees are likely to continue to rise and transaction speeds aren't likely to get any faster following this update. So if it's not really creating much benefit to the network, the users, the user journey on the network, is it really going to have such a positive impact on the price? It's quite hard to say, but we can see here in the short term, it's entirely plausible that Ethereum rallies to $2,200, but given the regulatory uncertainty that plagues the industry at the moment. So there's too many things going on really macroeconomically suppressing bull markets, and even though Ethereum does deserve so much more valuation and love, I just think it's unfortunate right now that we're not really getting the price pumps that we kind of want to see for these great projects and cryptocurrencies and, you know, DeFi coins, meme coins. Just absolutely everything is being suppressed by everything else in the actual economy itself. So I think Ethereum does look kind of tempting around these levels. I think I might go long, to be honest, because I think the 4 hour looks kind of tempting as we're leaning towards the oversold like we did here on the 7th of September. On the 7th of September, what did we get following the dump? Well, we came up about, not a significant amount really, about 18%. So if we can get a rally from here to over here, we'll be looking at a 22% increase in price. So there's a good chance. Remember, fear is your friend, guys. Don't be afraid to buy the dip on some occasions. We're getting a doji candle here as well for Ethereum on this 4 hour, which means there's about equal buying and selling pressure. Anyhow, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe, like, and comment. You guys mean so much. If you watched the video to the end, just please comment, "I'll watch this video to the end." That would literally make my day. And yes, you lovely people, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.